Hello and welcome to another episode of The Naked Turner. I just took a piece from this abalone shell over here. Oops. Anyway, from that abalone shell, drilled it out using this diamond core drill bit, 1/2 inch interior dimension. So now I have a little, very close to 1/2 inch, like probably 7/16 of an inch, little piece of mother of pearl here. I took it and I sanded it down. I wet sanded it here because the dust from this is really not good for you. Mainly in this video I'm working on showing you guys how I do the inlay of the abalone shell. Now over here I have a 10 inch by 2 1/4 inch piece of walnut, and I'm going to go take it to the bandsaw and turn it into a bowl plank. So real quick, I just wanted to share with you how beautifully the bottom of this bowl is turning out. This is a 10-inch bowl, and I've got some texturing down here that turned out really nice, and did a little bit of edge treatment as well. And I'm getting ready to clean this off completely and then put some shine juice on. All right, I got a little ahead of myself, but anyway, here's this piece of mother of pearl with some thick CA in a little seat, which I drilled using my brad point drill bit set up in my lathe while my bowl was there. And now I've just made about a 1/16 inch deep hole and then glued in. And now I'm going to take it back over to the lathe and do some sanding and getting rid of some of those little dots of CA there. And then I'll do a finish on this and show you the finished product. All right, it's looking good. I'm going to do a little more sanding, and then I'll apply some Yorkshire grit and then put some finish on here and check back in and show you what it looks like. So anyway, I'm just taking now some 220 grit sandpaper and sanding that a little bit, getting rid of any other little bits of the CA glue. All right, so I just put some Yorkshire grit on, and this, to quote Alicia Keys, this bowl is on fire. All right, so here it is, the finished piece. It's got all kinds of chatoyance and a beautiful piece of mother of pearl abalone shell. Just wanted to show you guys it's not that hard to do some abalone inlay with the appropriate tools and a little patience.